Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to level up fast in Mobox. Mobox combines GameFi NFTs, Momos and DeFi on the Binance Smart Chain BSC. Levels in Mobox matters because higher levels unlock better rewards, more farming power and access to the rare NFTs. Leveling up is linked to the XP experience points earned from the mining with Momos, participating in games, staking and farming, completing missions or quests, and here's how to speed it up efficiently. So first, open any of the web browsers that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. What you can do is type down mobox.io and enter it and make sure to log into your Mobox account. And over here on the left hand side, we can find this Momo farmer here. Each Momo NFT has a hash bar. Higher hash bar equals to more XP and mining rewards. To maximize it, you need to buy or unlock high rarity Momo unique rare, stake them in mining camp, farming pools, use multiple Momos if possible. XP stacks across an NFT. Go to this Momo farmer as well here, and you can participate in the Momo games here, complete daily missions or challenges, participate over here, and some games award XP bonuses for the high level Momos. Focus on the game that rewards both XP and Mbox tokens for dual benefits. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.